to quickly film this unboxing for you of this Tombow VIP Club box that I purchased. I just wanted to say right off the bat, this is not a sponsored video. It might sound kind of sponsored, but I did purchase this myself, and I will get into why I purchased it in a minute when I show you what's inside. But I did purchase this from the Tombow VIP Club. I've never done this before, and I've seen other subscription boxes before for lettering or art supplies, but typically the ones that I've looked at are quite a bit more expensive. This one I believe was $30, and I think it was free shipping, but I'll clarify in the box below if it wasn't, but I think it was $30 in free shipping. So I thought that I would go for it this month and let you guys know what I thought and show you what was inside. So on top here you have this, which shows you what's inside. And the thing that I liked about it is you could actually see this on their website before you purchase it. So it's not a surprise at all. You can see what's in there. So that's why, like I said, I went ahead and purchased it, because this is a new desktop and carry marker case, which I really wanted. I wasn't quite set on purchasing this box, but from what I could tell, this was going to be $30 in and of itself. So by purchasing it a little bit earlier, I got everything else for free. So that's why I went ahead and bought it, and I will take it all out and show you what's in here. So this is the marker case, and once I get it out of the box, I'll take it apart and kind of show you how it works and how it expands. But I really like this and wanted this for storing my Tombows. And then it also came with a set of dual brush pens. I looked at these already, but I haven't tried them yet. And it's actually been quite a while since I've purchased new Tombow markers, and you guys ask for Tombow videos all the time. So I thought that it would be good to get some new ones. Some of mine are getting kind of old and frayed. And then it also comes with this, which is a huge blending palette. And then it has some information on the back here: direct blending, indirect blending, and tip-to-tip blending. I have a whole video on how to blend with Tombow markers, so I will leave that in the description box below if you guys are interested in that video. I just share a bunch of different blending techniques. And then here they have a color chart. I'm not sure if it's all their colors or if it's just a select variety, but there's a color chart here. And I think this will be good for doing watercolor if you like to use your Tombows for watercolor, or maybe a watercolor background, because you could kind of color all over it and then use a larger piece of paper on it. So let me get into showing you these products, and I'll give you a little demonstration. Like I said, I haven't tried these out yet, so I probably will do some more experimenting and then add this to my next pen haul, which I do have a like stationery supplies haul coming up soon, so you can watch for that. But let me show you this first. This is the marker case that I said I kind of purchased the whole box for, because from what I can tell, this is going to be $30, and so since the box was $30, I thought I might as well get the free pens too. So this is the reason that I really liked this. I thought that this would be nice to have on my desk. You can put Tombows in here, you could put your smaller Fude size pens in here, and I just really liked that you could have these right and ready for when I'm filming. I think it would be really convenient to have them all kind of lined up of what I want to use, and then I'm not digging around for pens as I'm trying to film. So I thought that this would be great for my desk. And then here are the pens. I'll just show you. So they simply fit in here like this. It says it holds 108 markers. I'm not sure how many Tombows I have. I don't think I have quite that many, but I might be pretty close. I'm really excited to fill this up and then be able to film with just kind of everything right at my fingertips. I'll just probably put it at the top of my desk up here, and then that will be super convenient when I'm either lettering or filming, or just kind of want everything organized and laid out nicely. And since I got this pack of these 10 markers, I will just do swatches for you guys so that you can see what they look like and what the colors look like. I'm always looking for fun colors that are also kind of toned down, so I'm excited to try these, and I will just swatch these out and then maybe show you a little blending with the blending palette too. So as you can see, these are some really pretty spring kind of pastel colors, and sometimes the yellows don't show up that well on video, so I will add in a still photo here so that you guys can see a little bit more accurate of a picture if this isn't coming across as well. And then I will just do a little bit of blending so that you guys can see kind of how the blending palette works. I do have another video on that, so I'll link that below. And I also have a just tips for using Tombow video. I can't remember what it's called, but I will link that one in the description box below too, if you guys are looking for some ideas or ways to use your Tombow markers. This didn't come with a colorless blending pen, so I'm not going to use one because I just want to show you what was in the box. I think I'm just going to do the pinks, and then maybe I'll try to do some contrasting colors as well. I love this look. I like it to be subtle, but I'm going to do some contrasting colors as well so you can kind of see an example of that as well. So that is it for today. I just wanted to quickly show you what I got in this box and kind of how they work. And I will let you know if I order this again. Like I said, you can see what's in the box before you purchase, so I love that. But that will also depend on if I order again, so I will let you guys know. I don't know if it comes out monthly or quarterly, but this was the July box, I believe. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. And if you're looking for more videos throughout the week, you can follow me on Instagram at howtohandletter. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.